Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Kraken account detailed guide step by step clearly. To recover your Kraken account, start by visiting the Kraken website. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. Once on the login page, locate and click on the Forgot Your Password link. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Kraken account. After entering your email, click on the Send Recovery Email button. Check your email inbox for a password recovery email from Kraken. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for a link to reset your password. Click on the link provided in the email. You will be redirected to a secure page to set a new password. Enter a strong and unique password that meets Kraken's security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the designated field. Once completed, click on the Change Password button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully changed. Return to the Kraken login page and enter your email and new password. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, be prepared to enter the code sent to your device. Once logged in, review your account settings and security options. Consider enabling additional security features like two-factor authentication if you haven't already. If you encounter issues at any step, refer to Kraken's support documentation for further assistance. You can also reach out to Kraken's support team through their contact page for personalized help. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. And if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.